Hello class, hope you're doing all okay. So today we're going to see a new lesson. It's about social studies and it's transportation history. So we will see today transportation history. What is the transportation history? Okay, so for a long time ago, humans tried to find an easier way to travel, and he tried to travel faster and easier. Also, he carries things he wants to take. For example, he has some luggage with him. He has uh, has some things with him, and he wants to take it away from the place he is now. So he tried to make a solution for this. So he started with using animals such as donkeys and horses. And then, after, he started to invent objects to help him on traveling, using materials like wood and rock. And the first invention was the wheel. So he invented the wheel with wood first to help him to make his traveling more easier. Okay, so the wheel was very important that time. Okay, very good. So before electrical trains, there were steam trains. You see, this is an electrical train. This is a new train, but this one is an old time ago. A long time ago, they had this train that works with coal to move. Okay, so this train use electrical energy, while this one use material energy that is coal, and it turn into steam, and that steam will make this train work. In the old days, before airplanes, there were hot air balloons. There weren't airplanes, there were hot air balloons in the old days. And the hot air balloons, it's not the same way they work as planes. In the old days, before fuel-powered ships, there were sailing ships. You can see that this will work with fuel and petroleum. But this one, it has no fuel inside. It depends always on the wind and on the sailing here to move this ship. And last, before cars, there were carriage. So as you see, this is the new car, but in the old days, we used this to move. We weren't able to use this because it doesn't exist anymore, and our technology is not enough to make something like this. So we used just a carriage with 4 wheels and 2 horses, or sometimes 1 horse. Okay, very good, class.